Ifulazi kahle ibhola nempilo, Orlando Pirates won this league title spiritually. Yabo, iPirates iwine le league title spiritually. If wafunda incwadi kaWilliam Shakespeare ethi Macbeth uzoyi-understand into engiyishoyo. The first thing they said bathe Orlando Pirates is the Arsenal of South Africa. They didn't realize ukuthi Orlando Pirates bayayiblessa ngasikhathi besho leyo nto leyo. Bona bethi bayibiza nge-Arsenal, they are bantering Orlando Pirates, but Arsenal has been finishing second, and then eventually they won the league. The same thing happened khona la South Africa because Orlando Pirates have been finishing second. And when Arsenal won the league, baqala abantu abanama-assurances ukuthi iPirates i-Arsenal of South Africa baqala bapanic, and Orlando Pirates ended up winning the league title as well. Bathe bathi bazama bona ukusibhentarisha, bazama ukusithwensa, they trying to discourage us. Thina as Orlando Pirates sathi will keep going because siyayazi i-destiny yethu esinayo noNkulunkulu. So we won that league title spiritually. And u-Andile Jali wathi goals don't win you league titles. And indeed, Orlando Pirates won the league title without scoring. Yes, that is the second thing. Orlando Pirates won the league title without scoring because u-Andile Jali ubeyitshentsheni uyasi-discourage, kanti akazi ukuthi lento ayishoyo izomanifesta on the last day of the season. Mangabe wafunda incwadi kaWilliam Shakespeare ethi Macbeth, uMacbeth wathi ngesikhathi ehamba eya kubathakathi bakhe the witches eyobuza ukuthi kahle kahle ngoba yena ubukhosi ebuthole kabi ngokubulala omunye umuntu, ukhona yini umuntu oyombulala, because he was feeling so insecure, just like Sundowns and Chiefs fans were feeling so insecure ukuthi Orlando Pirates will come and take over the throne eSouth Africa. Bamnikeza two assurances. Bathi Macbeth, you won't die until iforest esezansi kwakini uyibona ikhuphuka izongena ekhaya. Bathi Macbeth, you won't be killed by a man born of a woman. Those are the two assurances they gave to uMacbeth. uMacbeth much to his surprise kwathi mase sekunempi seyinzima ngempela impi, wabona ihlathi likhuphuka lisuke ezansi kwakubo lizongena ekhaya. The same thing that happened, they saw Arsenal winning the league and they started panicking and they said sakora namagoli, sangakora namagoli. Lento manifestile, wabona ihlathi likhuphuka uMacbeth lizongena kubo, amangala waqala wethu kwathi what is happening right now? But izitha because zayizama ukuyidisguise, zazikhe amagatsha ezihlahla, zakha izihlahla zayiphatha kanje zizama ukuzoyidisguise ngazo so that it doesn't see the number of people that were coming to attack. So ukhuphuka kwehlathi lokho kwakuzongena ekhaya. uMacbeth wethu ukuthi babenginike this assurance ukuthi Arsenal won't win the league, babenginike this assurance ukuthi ihlathi ngeke likhuphuke lizongena ekhaya. The second thing eyenzeka wathi mayisese face to face noMacduff, ngithi uyazi impi mayilwa khona lapha enitholana khona nomuntu nje ni-isolated. Wathi Macduff, you won't kill me because mina I won't be killed by a man born of a woman. Is prophet lesi sasazi prophetwe zinyanga nabathakathi nezangoma zami. Wathi Macduff, listen Macbeth, I've got news for you. I wasn't born mina uma wami wakhathwa iwomb ngaphuma lapho, cishe lokho enikubiza nge-C-section nina njengamanje. That's how Macduff ended up killing Macbeth. So lezi prophet lezi bekade zenziwa nge-Orlando Pirates bebengayiboni bona bayazenza lezi prophet, yizogcina ifezekile ekugcineni. Yabo, pili njalo ke bafana. And thirdly, this is very important. They said, imagine Sibisi lifting the PSL title. Imagine Sibisi lifting the Betway Premiership title. For the mere fact that they wanted us to imagine, for the mere fact that they mentioned it, they mentioned Sibisi and the title in the same sentence. But as in imagine, kwakusho ukuthi vele it's coming, it's gonna happen. Basase besinikeza vele blessing. Okwesi-4 ulalelisise kahle. Bathi Sundowns know how to win the Betway Premiership title. But abazi ukuthi bashinde bendala bona ayifani le ndebe wePirates newino weSundowns, ayifani isidalo. Le wino weSundowns leni sasithi imbi ayimbi vele sasingesiwine le nto thina ifakwe icrew. Ilungisiwe le Pirates, buka la ayixhunyiwe ikhanda la ngathi happy. Ayifani le ndebe. So they've got experience, but they know how to win the league title. But le are the ugly one, not this one. Ilungile la uyiboni.